we would be creating an e-commerce website. Like not creating, I've started creating this project 2 days ago, and this is day 2 of me coming live and sharing and talking about this project. So I would be live till 8 o'clock. Till then, we will try to complete this project. I've created a lot of things in it. So first of all, I'll just check the quality of my voice. So I'll just pop this out. Great. Okay, so it would be in the left hand side and good. Okay. So let me just check the quality of my stream. Okay, so quality of my stream. So let me just check the quality of my stream, and it's good. And it's good. So I have this window. Okay. So let's begin with this project. So if you have any doubt, you can just ask me. What I'll do is I'll just copy the video ID and I'll start my Python code, which will notify me when some chat comes. So it's in the documents and project files, live chat, then open CMD. This is a simple Python code that I have created so that, oh, I'm sorry, I don't have to run it. First of all, I just have to update the video ID. So here's the video ID, and let's go. Let's see. So Python window.py. So now, whenever someone sends me a chat, where's the window? Oh yeah, I got it. Okay, so whenever someone sends me a chat, so here it will be updated. So let's just begin with our Node.js project. Just a second, I want to do something. So let's begin, and please try to ignore my background sounds. Yeah, let's go. I just have to open a terminal here, then code. Yep. So start working on fire out. Okay. So as we planned, like in this code, there will be two person. Like in this planning, I'll show you. So there would be a seller and a buyer. So seller will be selling the products, and the buyer would be buying the products from the search page. So I've completed with the buyer seller stuff. So I'll show you what all things I have done up till now. Okay, so I'll just close everything and I'll show you all the things. So okay, so before starting, I just have to turn on the XAMPP control panel so that I can start Apache and MySQL. Okay, so I used MySQL as my database. So let's begin. So we'll start with app. What is this db.js? So this is just a normal file in which I'm storing the connection related codes related to the database, like these things. Okay, so if I want to view the database, I will local host and php myadmin. So I'm using this database. So there are currently two tables, products and seller. So product contains all the details of the product and seller contains the profiles of the seller. So what I'll do now is let me just check one thing if it's properly working. Yeah, it's working. So what I'll do now is I'll tell you something that currently this is just the backend. This I'm trying to create an API. Excuse me. I'm trying to create a RESTful API with Node.js, and I will be using ReactJS for front end. So I'm testing this backend using Postman, which is a tool used for sending requests and getting responses, testing basically for testing APIs. Okay. Uh, okay. And in this collection, I've stored all the routes about um, I've created all the routes for I've created all the routes, like not created, I've tested some code. So I'll test it. First of all, I'll just show you what all things I have done. So public contains just this image directory in which all the images from the user it will be stored here. What I'll do is I'll just delete everything for now and I'll just create it for you. So product is already empty. Okay. So here in this folder there are just images of the user and the products. So let's close this and let's talk about this app.js now. So app.js is a simple normal file in which I have created all the routes, not exactly routes, but it contains the main routes. I've used this libraries. So this is for the first line is for the .NET for setting the environment variables. So this file consists some of the environment variables. Okay, some important details, and then I've used this .NET.env library so that I can use that environment variables. Okay, this is Express, this is cookie, this is database, this is auth route. So I've used Express routers to route some details. Okay, like I have not done all the routing in one single file, so I'm using different routes. Okay, so let's talk about this first route, this which is auth route. So yeah, so this auth route has this many files. This is normal Express, this is the router. I should copy this and paste it here first of all. Okay, I've used JWT for logging and stuff because it's stateless, but at the back end it's just using the cookies, so it's we cannot call it stateless. Let's go. So this is path and this is Malta. Okay. So how I've developed this whole thing is by using ChatGPT and some of my knowledge, but most of the time I just copy paste. So you know why? Because after AI, after ChatGPT, this all things are just copy pasting. After AI came, uh, before AI, people used to copy paste the code from Stack Overflow and etc. things, etc. sources. But after ChatGPT, it just increased the copy pasting stuff. So, but it doesn't mean that we don't require a coder. We definitely need it because we have to ChatGPT is not that, AI is not that at that level up till now. In future, we don't know what will happen. We cannot predict it. So this is used for file handling, uploads of file. Like files are uploaded in this directory, so it's handled by this multiple. Okay, by crypt to encrypt the password of users. Then I'm getting the JWT secret from that .env file in this variable. Okay, then the storage. This is how we do it. Okay. This code has been generated by ChatGPT. So destination just means where to put the file, and file name. So we are doing this stuff for the file name. Like I'll tell you later. Okay. First, let me check if there is any chat and if my chat is working. So the app stopped working. I don't know why. It just stops working. It's okay. What I'll do is, I'm so sorry that I change the topic and I get back to this, but just pardon me for some time. And I'll just, update one line here that okay. Okay, let's continue. Okay. So where was I? For this routes. Okay. So this route is just for sending a JSON message, like auth route. Later on, I'll convert this, this messages into a proper format of sending response with the format of REST APIs because it's important. Now I'm just trying, trying to build the basics of this. So this email, this route, it just checks for email if it exists in the database. So I'll show you what exactly it is. So these are all the routes which are available. So check email. So this one is this one. So just I'm using a GET request for this for checking the email. It doesn't require. So when to use GET and POST depends on if the request the request is modifying something on the database or on the server. You use POST or others. Okay, but if it's not modifying something on the server, you should use GET. So let's see. I'll send it. Okay, because the server is not running. I have to run the server. So nodemon app.js. Okay. So now why nodemon? Why not node? Because using nodemon you can when you save the file you don't have to stop the server and then restart it. It does the nodemon does it automatically. So that's why nodemon. Okay. Yeah. So let's send it. And you get this message that exist is equal to false. Exit is false. Okay. So this is how you use postmon. I'm sorry, post tape. What was the name? Postman. Okay. I remember. Okay. I haven't, postman. So this is how you use postman. You just paste the link. You set the, different, you set the method and you send it. And there are more things like body and all. You can set it, but I'll show you in future. Okay. So just send this request back, and the server is running on here. Okay. So let's now move ahead. Let's now move ahead to another round, which is sign up. Okay. Let's just rename it. Yeah. So this is the sign up route. Now what we are doing here? First we are getting the image, the file, and uploading it using the Matla library or module. Okay. So this is the route, and we are getting all the details like email, password, contact name, and address. Then we are getting all these things, and then we are setting the name of file to put in the database. Okay. Here we are getting it. From where we are getting it? From request.file. So this is an ternary operator in which we are checking. If request.file exists, then we get the file name. Otherwise, we set it to null. Okay, hope you get it. And here we are checking, like if anything is empty, if user have not sent any anything like any data, like if he missed the contacts, so it will just log invalid entry and then return this, send a response invalid request. I'll show you in the testing thing. Okay, I'll do, just give me a second. Yo, let's go. Let me check. Yeah, it's working. Great. Yo, I again and again I check it because I don't want to miss anyone's chat. Like people have sent me chat and I have not responded, so it's not good. People matters for me. Okay. After checking this thing, I'm just creating a hash value here using this bcrypt library. Okay. The more this value, the harder it is to crack the hash code. Okay. So it doesn't matter here. This is just a simple. Okay. So I'm passing the password, then the salt, and the salt is it's important. Then hash password. After hashing this salt and password, and hash password is generated, then what I'm doing is I'm inserting the password into the database. Not password, the values of the seller. Okay, now let's just start. Let's just test this. Sign up seller. So I'll be signing up a new seller. So what you have to do is when you add something here now, like name, it should come here. Yeah. So it comes here. This is, we use this when we use get, but when we use post, we use the body parameter. So I'm passing a form data. Just a second, let me check my audio quality on my phone. But when we use the post, we use the body parameter. So I'm passing a form data. Just a second, let me check my audio quality on my phone. Oh, it's working great. Only thing is my phone is getting heated. I'll let it. So I'm passing in form data. So let me just adjust this window. And and here the name, email, contact, password, and address. Do we have anything else? Yeah. We also have this profile image where we are passing a file. Okay. And then here the value like name Leo, email this one, contact, password, and some address and the file. So I'll just send it. So we get this kind of message, sign up successful. Okay. But what if a user misses a value? For example, like this. Let's see what happens now. Invalid request. Okay. Why we are getting this? Because this code got executed. Okay. Okay. And after we get this message, the data get updated in the database. Yeah. Yeah. Name, address. Okay. So profile image is null. There's some mistake, some error. Let's see why we got that error. Because why that error happened? Should not happen. So this exists in the database. I'll just check and delete it. Now let's just submit it again. That's why we use Postman, okay? Because it's it's it makes our task easy. Yeah, now it came profile image, this thing. Okay, nice. So if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me. Then I'll tell you what I have done. So now what I'll do is I'll continue my thing, and the important thing. Now what I have to do is I just have to update this auth part. Okay. So this auth is only for the seller, not for the finder. I have to separate it. Yeah. So what I have to do is I just have to add here seller. Hope I hope all the next part runs, and I have to create another route for auth buyer. So this like this I have separated. Hope so it works. Now what I have to do? Do I have to change anything here? I don't think. Do I need login? Yeah, it's already separated, so I don't think I need here, and I just don't need here also. Check email is it's so fine. Okay. Okay. What I have to do is this here. Do I have to change it here? Product is related to the seller. So this route doesn't have the buyer doesn't have to care about this route. So I just have to update all these things in the postman everywhere. Dangerous thing. That's okay. Let's check if it runs. Okay. 1@gmail.com. Yeah. Yeah, it's working. This route is working good. I'll just copy this thing, save this thing, open this thing, and then paste it here. Is it working? Yeah. Hope it will work. It should not give any error, but if it gives any error, I'll watch for it in future. So this all things seller profile. We need the seller profile. No, we don't need to change anything here. So that's it for the updation of the route. Oh, what are web sockets? I'll research for it in future. Skip it here. And now we have to work on the buyer. I'll just create another route and I have to rename. Yeah, I have to rename auth route seller, and I'll just update it here also. Uh, it got renamed automatically, I think. Nice. I just have to copy this and paste it here. Nice. Now I have to create another route. Yeah, I just have to create another route with buyer.js. Yeah, let's go. This is auth route. This is auth route for buyer. Hope the server will be running properly. No. Uh, yeah, I have to change one line. I have to import it. Okay. Wrong. So duplicate it down and then Control D. Yeah, let's go. Now I think there should not be any error. Yeah, I got it. So what I have to do is I'll just copy paste it to make my work easy, and I'll create a route. And I'll export this. Now I think I should not get any error. Yeah, there's no error. Then we are ready to move ahead. So this route would be for the buyers. Okay. So what all things buyer can do? Let's check it. First, let's check if we got any chats. No, we didn't get any chat. And let's check what uh, we planned buyer to do. So yeah, first of all, we need to do the sign up and login stuff of. We just need the name, email, and password. Oh, so buyer just required a very less thing. Name, email, and password. So what I'll do is I'll just copy from here. We also need to store the data, like the image data. So we need this thing. We need this for the secret, and we need this thing for storing the profile images in this folder. In this folder, okay. Nice. Let's move ahead. And yeah, we need this thing. This thing we use this thing for uploads. We don't. I don't think we need to, or I need to. No, I don't think. And I need this function. So it only the thing is I have to change it from fire. Yeah, that's it. Some can you see like Node.js makes it so easy for uh, creation of this thing. Now what I have to do is I have to create a new table. Let me bring my friend, the most important friend. Uh, oh, I have to log in. Why I logged out, buddy? Oh, this doesn't send any. The lazy busy coder. What happened, buddy? Is my internet good? Oh, so I have less internet. Let's go. Let's see. Come on, buddy. Let's go. What happened to ChatGPT? Is it down? So it doesn't. We'll wait for it to happen. Then we will build our own query. So what I need to create is buyer table. So create table uh, buyer, and then all the columns, and then there will be an ID which will auto auto increment. This will be the primary key. And or why oh, I have to mention the data type. I forgot. uh, Int, and then it will auto increment. Then I need the name of the buyer. Yeah, it will be varchar, and the name of the buyer can be up to like 40. Yeah, it's fine. And we need and this can be unique, not null. Then what we need is why this is taking so long time. Very um, then varchar not null. What else we need? Pardon my memory. Or just email name and password. Nice. Why it's not working, man? It's so dangerous. It should not receive any null values, and I need a password. Just a second. I'll just So I store all the queries that I create in this file. What I need is what I was needing is, yeah, this one. Oh, I'll just copy paste this here. Like why to? It has good formatting. ID and auto increment primary key, email, password. We don't need contact. We need name. We don't need address. So bye. Yeah, nice. My ChatGPT is not working, buddy. I think ChatGPT is down. Oh bro, why it's not working? सारी उम्र में ठोकर जमाने आ रहा. You haven't received any message. Let's go. Let's just continue with our thing. Oh, I don't need to save it. Okay, name, password, email. Okay, let's go. I think I should run it. Oh god, why? You have an error in SQL. Check the manual. What error do I have? I think yeah, I just added a comma. There's an extra comma in this. So as hmm, a coder needs an eagle eye to find a simple commas. So what I'll do is yeah, okay. So what I'll do is I think I have to depend on my own. I cannot use ChatGPT for today. Let's see it for later. Let's keep it for later. I'll check my laptop heat. So I have to turn on the fans. Yo, now laptop is not heating. Also, my audio quality doesn't change because of that. If it changes, you can comment. You can send me a chat. Let's go. Let's continue with our code. So here is the query for the table. Then we just have to work on this route. Check email is also same. Oh, before doing this thing, I just have to create a new blank collection. Then just name it. Just rename it to bio. This will be like very less. Like it would be easy for me to do. Okay, no, open the wrong one. I have a request. Okay, let's go. So what I have to do is I just have to add the check email route. Copy this. Just a second. Let's continue. Okay, where was I? Let's continue. I'll save this first of all. Why it's not saving? Oh, I just have to rename it to uh, check email. No. Oh, not seller. Bio. Leo. Yo. Are. I'm missing a space. It should be perfect, And we just need buyer. So now I think this should work, and this should return me an false. Let me check if there is an error. No, it's not. There is not an error. Just close this. I don't need it. And then I think it should work. Let's just run it and check it. Let's just run it. Send. Yeah, we have received an false. That means it's working. The route is working. Okay, great. So, as per my opinion, Node.js is a good thing, a good tool to use for building web applications or APIs. So I'll just copy this now. Check email has been done. Sign up seller. Okay. Paste it here, and then yeah. So this is an important part in which first of all I'll just create this thing, and what I have to do here is now just change only one thing. Okay, buddy. So this is like why it's not using JWT. It should no. It's not using JWT. It should use bcrypt library. Okay. Now this is good. This all things is good, man. Like just copy paste. So what I can do is I can just use us. We will optimize this code later on, but let's just continue with this. What we have, just change it. Buyer, and we don't need extra fields. Like we have email, password, and we don't have contact. We don't have address. We have profile image. Oh, I think I have forgotten. I forgot this profile image. I forgot the so again I have to do this thing. Okay. So I just have to. Previously also I have forgotten. A stupid person. Okay. So I'll just rename this. Yo. So now it's good. So how many values we have? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. We don't need this 2 extra question marks. Yo, great. So now it's working. So I have to update this thing. Hash password. We don't need this thing. Contact. Address. Okay. Okay. So this profile image, and I don't think we have to change anything, and we just have to remove things from here. Okay. So I think we are ready with the route. I've created it. Hope so. It works. Haven't I received any chat? No. Okay. Now I have to create a new request. I have to paste it here. And auth buyer. Not check email. Login. No, sign up. No. Now what I have to do is where is this? Yeah, sign up. Now what I have to do is we just have to add the body part, and we will use. See, you can use both of this. So I'll use this because in the front end I would be using a form. So I can use that. We can use that because we use this because I want to add the image stuff we can add only with this. So I'm using that. Yeah. So the keys will be this thing: email, name, and password. So name and email and sorry password. So what I'll do is I'll change it. and I was knowing PSSWRD. Yo, so we have this. Now we have the file image, profile image. This one. So this is actually a file, and we will select a file which is old. No, we will use this file. Oh, so we can add multiple. Nice. Okay, so we have the data. Now we will put the name like Leo. Email would be 1@gmail.com. Password will be 123456789. Okay, so I think we are done with this. And what? Oh, yeah, we have this. Okay, so here it should have an image with a different date stamp. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll change the name to level. What I have to do is I just have to send it. Before that, I'll check if everything is fine. So let's build it, buddy. Let's send it. See what we get in response. It's taking a lot of time. Okay, I should use post. Silly mistake. Let's go. Okay, so there's then something here. Something. Okay. Where I'm. Oh yeah. I have to update this thing also. We are not using address. We are not using contact. We're just using email. Yeah. And sign up success, and we should get all the details in this table. So we have this 871. Okay, 871, and we have it 871. Okay. Oh, why two images? We just need one. Okay. I think because of this, the file gets uploaded first, and then only this appears. Okay. 48% charging. Let's go. Let me check the quality of my voice after turning on the fan, the table fan. Uploaded first, and then only. Yeah. Quality is good, buddy. Quality is good. Yeah. So sign up has been done. This round has been created. I'll save it with the name. Okay. What to save it? Sign up. Sign up seller. Okay. Where to? Yeah, in the buyer section, and name should be. Okay. Okay. Now what I have to do is I have to create the login route. Okay. So for login I am using JWT. Let's see. JWT and cookie. So where is the cookie thing? Where's cookie? Why I'm not using the cookie? It's a kind of weird. Oh, actually I'm using cookie here. I've set it here. so I don't need to set it again. Okay. Yeah. So let's continue with the login. Do we have any other thing after login? Yeah. So this will be the last route. Okay. Sign up, and where is the login? Yeah, here is the login. So we'll get email and password. Then we'll select the ID. Okay. We have ID. We have password. Okay. So we'll get the token. We'll create the token here. JWT sign. We will be storing user ID in the token. What's JWT secret? It's this thing. Okay. It expires in 1 hour. So after every 1 hour, user have to re-log in. Okay. Login successful. Okay. So yeah, I don't think we have to change anything. Okay. So I'm not exporting the. Oh my god. I was doing such an idiotic stuff. The module.xs should be in the end. I don't know how it was working. Let's see. Okay. Nice. Okay. Let's see. So anyone send me a chat? No. I'll just check it if my Python code is working. No, it's not working. It stopped working. Why? It stopped working? I don't know. Oh, it's dangerous. Oh, what should I do? सारी उम्र मैं ठोकर बनिया रहा. Okay, let's create this thing. Let's create new thing. I just have to paste it, then put request and login. Now for logging, I just need this and then this. Or you can use this. Just keep a name. Well, yeah, name will be name. No, not name, but email. Email will be 1@gmail.com, and then what I need is password. What will be the password? It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me cross verify with the database. So email is 100. Okay. So now if I send this, then what will happen? Okay. Why? Why I should not get this again? One either gmail.com and password is okay. Then why I'm getting? Is it because some of why? Oh, because I'm okay. Why so, buddy? Why so, buddy? Why so, buddy? Updated bio. Why? What happened, buddy? Where's the problem? Why this thing? It should not happen. Is it because some mistake in the... Everything is fine. What's the problem? Where is the problem? Where is the problem? Uh, just restart it. Oh, what I'll do is... Oh, no, I don't want to. हाँ बस 5 मिनट में हो जाएगा. Okay. Come on, bro. Where is the problem? Why I have created this route? Seller profile route? Seller profile. Oh yeah. So that seller can update his profile or edit his profile, etc. Thing. But why I'm getting that problem? Sign up is happening correctly. I think because of this bicrypt something. I'm inserting into bio, everything is fine. Inserting hash password, I'm inserting name. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything is fine. Then where is the problem? So let's just change my personality. Give me 1 second. Yo. Yeah. Yeah, let's continue. I'm hungry. I want to eat something and I'm stuck in some errors. So I've changed my personality. So this is not the Leo which was talking a second ago. This is someone new. By the way, this is the new microphone that I'm using. That's why you're able to hear my voice clearly because I'm using it. Yo, and it's of my dad, but I'm using it because he's not using it. Let's go. There's no one in the stream. No one. I'm alone. In the stream as well in the live. But I'm not lonely. There was a person telling me there is a difference between being alone and being lonely. Yo. So let's go. Select ID password. I'm doing it from the bio where email is equal to blah blah blah. I'm getting the email. I'm getting the password. But why it's giving me a different error? But why I'm getting this error? Why I'm getting this error? I should not get this error. Bro, why I'm getting this error? Let's just console. I'll just console this thing as well. GS of 0. Let's see what I get in the console. Okay. Oh, okay. I remember that. I remember that. I remember that. Invalid. And let me see what I get in the. Okay. Okay. So it's telling me that there is no record of with that email. And why so? gmail.com, email, text. Okay, I think because I'm using form data. I think that's why it's happening. Let me check if it's what I have. Let me check if it's working. Yeah, so I'll send it and let me check. I'm getting undefined. So this thing happened with me earlier because I was using this form data thing. Why I am not actually able to understand, but it's okay. I just have to change it from here, and I just have to type it email, and value will be, and key will be password. Okay, I've added an space. Okay. People, तुमको you they will tell me where I'm sitting in a zoo. So don't shout, howl. Humans have been evolved, okay? Evolved. Humans have evolved. They don't live in cave now. They live in houses. Don't shout. Yo, let's continue. Yo, so now I think it will work. I don't need to console this log. Then no need to do this, and it will work. It will work. Look, what is the meaning? Yo, check. Virtual Medico. Hi, bro. Virtual Medico. How are you? Check. Oh, okay. I think I have. I'm using this headphone, that's why I was not able to hear your voice. I'm so sorry because of my background noise, but I cannot do anything because I live in a small house, Small house, one table with a mic and a laptop. So let's go. So now what I have to do is I just have to send it. Login successful. I told you. It happened because I was using what I was using. Yeah, this form data. Let's continue. So now the user is able to log in. He will get a cookie with the token, and for other routes, like for the searching and stuff, like if a buyer wants to search some products, he needs to first log in, and then he will be able to search. So Virtual Medico, bro, you have gone or you are there? Let's just check if you are there or you have gone. So I hope my audio is clear. Check. Yo, it's clear. Oh my god, 3 people are watching my stream. Oh no, not 3, 2. I think it's now it's 1. Like for the searching and stuff. Like if a buyer wants to search some products, he needs to first log in, and then he will be able to search. So Virtual Medico, bro, you have gone or you are there? Let's just check if you are there or you have gone. Okay, so my voice is like a little weird, but it's okay. Now what we will do is I'll end this stream here, and we will continue after 9 o'clock. So from 9 to 10 we will be streaming, and I will be completing this project. And why I'm completing this project is to showcase, oh, I'm here. Oh, nice to see this message, Virtual Medico. Thank you so much for being here. I'm so happy to have you here. Because you are here, I'm good. So by the way, Virtual Medico, if you want to talk, do you have any questions related to coding or something that you want to ask and that I can answer? So if you have any questions, you can just tell me. And I'm a little hungry, so I'll end this stream here. And what I'll do is, I'll eat something. Then I'll get back 9 o'clock, and we will begin and complete this project. So now what I have to do is I just have to now we will be moving on towards the harder part of this project. Login has been done. Okay. So now what seller will be what a buyer would be having is okay. So in my house there is a lot of dangerous thing. Now what I have to do is where was I? I just have to create a search page now where the buyer would be able to search for products. Okay. I hope I'm going on the right path. So the buyer would be able to search